What if I told you OpenAI just hit a reset button on the future of AI? Since ChatGPT dropped in 2022, it's been one record-breaking model after another until OpenAI suddenly wiped every old GPT overnight. Now, they're betting everything on a secret 5-step plan to human-level intelligence. This isn't just another upgrade. It's the biggest gamble in AI history. Stick around. Let's unpack some interesting facts here.
After only 2 months since releasing O1, they've now introduced O3, although it's smashing records, scoring 25% on a very difficult math test that no other AI model scored more than 2% on. What's even more impressive is that O3 scored 88% on the ArcAGI benchmark, a challenging test designed to assess breakthroughs in AGI, artificial general intelligence. For comparison, OpenAI's previous best model, O1, scored just 32%. Here's a twist. O3 uses test time scanning, meaning it flexes extra computing power after you hit enter. The result, groundbreaking answers, but at a steep cost up to $1,000 per task. Compared to paying a human about $5 to resolve an ArcAGI task, that's a story of how you get bankrupt. So, what's the catch? O3 is a new everyday tool like ChatGPT. It's built for big picture queries such as resolving industry challenges or getting critical decisions, or perhaps saving the world like the Avengers. Critics point out it's pricey and still makes mistakes on simple tasks, but for academia, finance, or other specialized industries, the investment may just be worth it. So the question is, can O3 pave the way for more scalable, affordable AI, or is this just the start of a much steeper curve?
But raw brain power doesn't always guarantee better experiences. Nothing like human interactions. Just ask anyone who has ever tried to talk to any sort of AI models. I remembered I was once in a conversation with this guy. Yeah, he's a highly intelligent humanoid robot, but the only thing is the conversation ability rely on an advanced API in the cloud. So there are a lot of trips between servers plus latency. Our conversation basically goes like this. Hi there, tell me about Paris.
A few minutes later.
So how exactly can we have a normal, informative conversation with the AI? To resolve this, we need to have a local AI that is lean but powerful enough. Again, until I saw this.
You're doing a live demo right now? That's awesome!
That's the holy grail. The magic to optimize the AI model with accuracy and lower latency. That's where the next real breakthrough needs to happen. When we were just getting overwhelmed by all those powerful AI models, OpenAI was busy doing something radical, erasing its own history, like literally. GPT 3.5, 4.0, 4.0, even O3 gone overnight. There's just no way the average consumer knows when to use what, especially without clear UI indications. OpenAI calls it smartest, fastest, most useful model yet. One model to rule them all. Clean, simple, universal. But here's the twist. Each of those older models had its edge. 4.0 was multi-model, 4.1 handled long context window, up to 1 million tokens. O3 Pro crushed deep reasoning. O4 Mini blazed through math. But GPT-5, it tries to be all of them all at once. Basically, a hybrid beast with better performance. But here's the kicker. Do you know what GPT-5 is best at? Turns out it's building video games that already existed. One simple prompt, boom, a few hundred lines of code pop up, and even get instructions and a playable game right away. But wiping out the past was only step 1. OpenAI is chasing something far bigger, a 5-step math plan to human-level AI. Not just AGI, but a leap towards ASI, artificial superintelligence. Well, machines don't just match us, they surpass us. Now, we are at level 1. AI that can chat with humans with natural human language. Think of tools like ChatGPT, Bing Chat, and Gemini. AI can create new content such as drawing pictures and writing social media posts or blogs. But level 2, it jumps around the corner. This is where AI becomes reasoners, resolving complex problems that human with a PhD. Beyond that, at level 3, AI systems called agents could operate autonomously for days, doing your work and running your business while you're on vacation. And it doesn't stop there. Level 5, AI runs an entire organization by itself. By the way, that's where Sam Altman headed to make one-person unicorn become a reality. But how long does it take to get there though? Some say it could reach this in 10 to 15 years. Next up, defense, doesn't it? The big question is this the road to AGI or the start of a much deeper curve leading to ASI? One thing's for sure, the race is only just beginning. If you like this breakdown, you'll love what's coming next. Elon Musk's secret AI master plan and how it collides with OpenAI's vision. Plus, a deep dive into Sam Altman's bold AI prophecy on ASI and the singularity. Feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and cast your vote in our community tab. Subscribe to our newsletter today. Links are in the description down below. See you in the next one.